New tonight, South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster and top medical officials announced the highest single-day death toll in the state since the pandemic started. The governor warning about the dangers of community spread heading into the July 4th weekend. Now, DHEC says if people are not careful over the holiday weekend, the state has the potential to see its highest spike in cases. Fox Carolina's Kaufax tells us more.
Yeah, Tori, Cody, Dr. Linda Bell said that this weekend is a very large concern for them at DHEC, and it should be for all of us across the state, since the last dramatic spike in cases happened right after that weekend in May, Memorial Day. She says that they hope that this weekend is not more of the same. Dr. Linda Bell told South Carolinians today that a lack of caution while celebrating America's birthday could mean more disease and death.
We could see cases rise to the levels that none of us could have previously imagined.
With 1,000+ new cases each day becoming the norm, she says DHEC is losing its ability to control the spread.
This is severely hampering our ability to conduct contact tracing for cases.
South Carolina now also has a record number of hospital beds occupied by people fighting for their lives against the virus. And now, with Independence Day generally meeting an even bigger celebration, they're worried.
It is a dangerous opportunity for us to spread this virus.
Governor Henry McMaster told people to use common sense, adding once again he will not enact a statewide mandate to wear masks or further limit gatherings.
We cannot enforce this. This is too big. This is all across the state. Every local jurisdiction is a little bit different.
The governor did say people violating CDC or DHEC recommendations could face punishment, but didn't elaborate too much.
At the moment, the city continues to defer to state law and the governor.
Here in the upstate, Beth Brotherton with the city of Greenville says the last thing they want is for cases to spike as they did after Memorial Day. That's why they canceled their annual celebration.
Then come August, when we want our children to go back to school. September, when we all want to start going to football games again.
She says the city would love to see action from the governor's office so they can better enforce things. But until then, they are warning against recklessness.
Temporary pleasure or a let's have a fun barbecue. Think about the consequences, I guess, would be the message from the city.
I also reached out today to the Greenville County Sheriff's Office for comments on whether they would be out looking for large gatherings or whether they would fine or prosecute people for violating CDC or DHEC guidelines, as the governor alluded to this afternoon. So far, we have not heard back. In Greenville, Matt Kaufax, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.